So we got Sam Tarabay here working on the car.
Hey man.
So how was the race today?
It was good for after the rebuild. You know, you have small things here and there. The fan stopped working, we got overheat. So now I'm hooking the fan straight to the battery. At least we can finish this rally, and next time we will have it a proper way to be done. But yeah, everything other than that, it's good. No complaints, cannot complain.
And how was your track time?
I think it was good. I believe it's we are on the top, very top. Maybe you saw it better than me, the timing.
I just want to hear it from your mouth. He did have the fastest track time. He's being a little modest, so he did have the fastest track time today at 60 seconds, 60.2 seconds. So it's pretty good.
Which is perfect. Again, as I mentioned, we have minor issues, and also I can improve at least a few more seconds, but it's good for now. I'm satisfied for what we have, and all this event was to check the car, do some adjustments, and hope next rally will also be in better position, mechanical wise, and preparing myself.
I would say after a full rebuild, this is a pretty good successful day and run and stuff like that. And now just down to the fine tuning and improve those track times a little bit better, maybe a little under 60 seconds.
Sure. I need to improve myself also as well. So it's a combination. Thank you, David.